having an amazing day. So I'm super pumped. Today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is singlesswag. So yes, I am married, but yes, this is singlesswag. And this is definitely something geared more towards single women. However, the items that I've seen in, different social media posts and things, I'm like, you don't necessarily have to be single to get this box. And I've been looking for different lifestyle boxes to bring to you guys. And that's why I actually really like this, because it definitely is geared more towards women, obviously. And, you can obviously get it if you're single. That's obviously kind of their point. However, I'm married, but I can still get it. There's nothing in here that is, specifically saying, I'm single, I have to get this box. So I will put a link down below if you would like to check out singlesswag. It does ship worldwide, which I think is great. I am going to go over the information about this box since it is the first time here on our channel. I do want to say first, thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And guys, don't forget we do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. They will both be linked down below, so please enter if you have not already. So it says the monthly sub box for the single women out there. It's 6 to 7 full-size items every month, and you can treat yourself or a single you love. They do also have a smaller version, the petite, where you receive 3 to 4 full-size items. And the items could be fashion accessories, organic bath and beauty products, delicious artisan crafted foods, top-selling books, and exciting surprises. Now, the larger box that I have here, this one is, I just about showed you my address. This one here is $39.99 with free shipping. And let's see. The boxes usually ship around the 1st of the month, so you order by the 15th and you can receive it that month's box. So this is the October 2019 singlesswag. I have a pin down here and I don't know why I don't need it. So let's get in here and see what we got for October. Like I said, you don't have to be single to get this. I am just trying to find some newer lifestyle. Well, I mean, this box actually is not a new subscription. They've been around for a while, but just new to our channel. Some different lifestyle type boxes, so we don't get so overloaded on beauty products. So there is a card here on top, and then I see this right here. Let's see what this says. It says, win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag @singlesswag. We pick a winner each month. Love yourself, never settle. That is awesome. All right, let's see. Don't be afraid to give yourself everything you ever wanted. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. And I actually, looking at this is awesome and I'm loving this. They go over the products and they include pricing. And you guys, this box is a total retail value of $208 and I paid $39.99. Let's see what we got. All right, so let's see, good vibes right away. That's always a good start. All right, so we have a hat here. Get the cardboard out. And it is adjustable. It kind of has a distressed look. Good vibes. Believe it or not, because of subscription boxes this past summer, I've actually gotten into kind of wearing hats, like depending on what I'm doing. Let's see. Vivian Rowe, Good Vibes Baseball Hat, $26. Avoid harmful UV rays and look great while doing it with this durable vintage wash style baseball hat. Produced using premium cotton for a comfortable and luxurious look and feel. Use the adjustable metal back closure to ensure the most comfortable fit. Now, I'm not going to put it on because I have hairspray on and I'm actually having a really good hair day. So I'm not going to put it on, but I will definitely use it. I think it's cute and I like that it says good vibes. And like I said, I've gotten kind of into wearing hats because of different hats I received over the summer. All right. Then we have, let's see, Ibla, if I'm saying that correctly, Ultra Hydrating Hand Cream, Sicilian Honey and Aromatic Botanicals, right here. And this is $22. This lush moisturizing hand cream enriched with Sicilian honey, which boasts anti-aging, antibacterial, and moisture-retaining properties, will leave your skin feeling silky smooth and bursting with vitality. For a deep hydrating experience, massage lotion into hands and fingers, paying close attention to the cuticle area. I think that is really awesome. Anti-aging properties, naturally antibacterial, and it retains moisture. This is like the perfect hand lotion. Oh, well, I was going to see if there was a safety seal, but it was taped, so I'm guessing that maybe that was the safety seal, but yeah, we'll double check. Okay. So, just a regular hand cream. Oh, but it goes in very nicely. It's not like too thick. Oh, it smells good. It smells fresh and clean and it just smells good. I don't want to say earthy because it's not earthy, but it just smells really, I guess the aromatic botanicals, how they describe it, that, yeah. Read the package, Nikki. All right. Then we have, what is this? Let's see. Brilliance New York Perfect Finish Moroccan Argan Oil Serum, $40. Achieve that perfect salon finish every day with this lightweight hydrating formula created and used by a professional stylist. Perfect Finish delivers instant shine and long-lasting rejuvenation while nourishing your hair to the root. Apply to wet or dry hair. Oh, it's cruelty-free. Apply to wet hair or dry as needed unless instructed otherwise by a Brilliance New York specialist. I'm actually excited about that. And this looks like a really big bottle. Like, this would last a while. I mean, you wouldn't need much for a hair serum. Yeah, that's gonna last a while. And that's really pretty. The frosted glass. I like that. Okay. So far, I'm really liking this. All right. And then we have something little here. What is this? I have gotten this before in something. Way of Will Strengthening Nail and Cuticle Serums, $24. This antioxidant and emollient, I always say that word incorrectly, rich nail and cuticle serum infused with vitamin E and argan oil is specially designed to moisturize and hydrate nails while protecting the cuticles against dryness, damage, and inflammation. So I'm actually going to double check if I still have this. If I do, I will put this in a giveaway. I can't remember again what box I got it in, but I do remember liking it. And if I'm out, I'm gonna keep it because it's really good. But if I still have some, I will, like I said, put this in a future giveaway. So, yay! All right, and then we have from Trifle Cosmetics, Liquid Glow Liquid Luminizer, right here. This is $24. Just a touch of our liquid luminizer is enough to give your complexion a boom of rosy brilliance. Formulated with cocoa extract to hydrate and soften your skin, it's vegan, 100% cruelty-free, paraben-free, and hypoallergenic. Does it have a color? Like a name? Just says liquid glow. Fondant, I think I'm guessing is the name anyway, because it's right there. And then this is what the packaging looks like. I'm actually not going to open this. I have a couple of these liquid highlighters and I don't reach for them that often. So I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys. I'm sure it's gorgeous. But like I said, I have a couple liquid highlighters and I don't reach for them as often as I do like just my powder highlighters. So I'll let one of you guys enjoy that. And then, what is this? What are you? Oh, this is a cookie. The Decorated Cookie Company. That is decorated shortbread cookie. Oh. Sprinkled donut cookie, $4. In a world full of plain bagels, be a sprinkled donut. Indulge in this delicious shortbread cookie handmade in the USA. Do I have to share this with Christopher? I kind of feel obligated as a mom that I would need to share this, but then I also kind of, as a mom, like, feel like, no, you deserve the cookie. And it's so cute. Okay. All right, so it looks like we have one more item. There was actually quite a bit in here. Oh, sorry, that was kind of loud. This is Indigo Authority. I'm thinking this is going to be jewelry. Indigo Authority Mila Peach Quartz Adjustable Chain Bracelet, $68. Add style and excellence to your collection with this chic, delicate bracelet. Use the slide clasp closure to adjust the tightness to wear loose or close to the wrist. Here we go. Oh, y'all, this is so pretty. All right. Oh, and I see what they're talking about. It's one of my favorites. I love bracelets like this. It has the closure, like the kind of like you can put it on and then pull the string if you need to. I'm putting it on my the wrist. I don't normally wear bracelets on. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me put it on the right wrist, which happens to be my right wrist. But where you can just kind of easily pull it up, which for me is great. Having rheumatoid arthritis, this is like amazing. So, y'all, that is so beautiful. Like, it's simple, but it is so gorgeous. I just love that. So do you see what I mean? This is not a box that, in my opinion anyway, is only for single women. It doesn't matter. This is just a really great box for us gals to treat ourselves. So, like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Single Swag, whether you're single or not. I personally think this is a fantastic box, and I love that it is a lifestyle box. We got jewelry, we got a cookie, we got some nail cuticle stuff, we got some highlighter, hair serum, hand cream, a hat. This was awesome, and like I said, it came to $208. What? I'm loving this. So this will be around for a little while, you guys. So let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me again say I hope you have a fantastic day. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.